On this lesson, we're going to add the icons that we got from Freepik. So once we have our animation and expression, and remember that you read your text out loud and see if you have the time to read them, then around this frame, I want to change this text. So I'm just going to take them out, again by keyframing the position, and then just offset them a little bit so they don't go out at the same time. So maybe first aspects, and then poverty, and yeah, and stuff like that. So now I'm going to bring in the other text that I need. So I could simply duplicate these aspects, or actually this whole text. And let's go and change the texts. So I'm going to change to such as, and here I'm going to type nutrition, then health, then water, and then on the next line I'm going to type education or shelter. So now that I have the lines there, they're going to appear just as they did, but the thing is that they change the mask when I duplicate them, so I have to assign them again. I'm going to offset them here so they appear right after the other ones are out. So maybe there. So now I'm going to assign the proper mate. So 1, 2, 3. Just as before, we can use the same ones and get the exact same result. So we get this, but make sure that they don't overlap, because that looks weird. So now that they are not overlapping, that's okay. I can change my text. And now I want to have the Freepik objects appear here. So let's do that, but first let's shy all the layers that we don't need, so we don't have a crowded workspace here or timeline. So for now this is good. And now let's go and find the water icon. And the house, the cross and the carrot. And I'm going to collapse the transformation so I can scale them bigger than 100 without losing any resolution. And I'm going to go around here. Remember that if you don't need the layers before, just drag them or cut them on the exact point where you need them. And now I'm just going to position them in place. So I'm going to have the carrot around here, the water drop around here. Then let's go and put the cross and the house. You can see that the house is looking a little bit smaller, so we can change that by going this and put this one into 120. And now let's select them, the house and the cross, and align them the same with the carrot and the water. And then you could do the same with the carrot and the cross and the house and the water. So they are aligned and they are looking well. I can move them a little bit to the top. And I want them to appear as this nutrition, health, water, education, or shelter appears. So to do that, I'm only going to animate one as we did with the people on the previous lesson. So I'm just going to begin with the carrot, then the health, then the water, and then the house. So let's begin with the carrot. Let's add a keyframe, add another one here. Then go here, go 0. Select both of them. And let's add some ease. And again, go to your curves and make that motion even more evident. So now if I preview, you can see how the carrot appears, which is good. But I can make it even better by going and add another keyframe here. Go to one previous one, and let's go put this one into 130, so it goes a little bit bigger and then comes back into the size. So you can see how that keyframe adds a lot of motion to my animation. Let's bring this two down a little bit. Now, as I said before, I want my carrot to control the rest of my animation, so I'm just going to go to my scale, press Alt to bring the expression, using the Freepik, copy the scale, or going actually to the scale that the carrot has, and then I'm going to type point value. Remember to have capital A T, capital T, time, and then between parentheses time, and let's give it a try to this one to less 0.1. You're gonna see that offset is there just as I wanted it, so maybe a little bit more. This is too much. You can see how 1 is really too much, so maybe something a little bit bigger, like 0.2. So that's okay, I think. And now what I want to do is copy this expression into the other one, so just Ctrl C, go to my scale, press Alt and Ctrl B to paste it. Now let's change the time to, let's say, 0.5, and then again do this one here, 2.7. And there you go. So now again, as before, if I make this one faster, the others change. And this is actually something that I want, because I was thinking that this is going too slow. So in the next lesson, we're going to wrap up our video. So see you there.